Article 1222 of the law, specifically in the context or obligations and contracts, deals with the concept of solidaritors. Solidaritors are individuals who are jointly responsible for fulfilling an obligation or debt. According to the Article 1222, a solidaritor has the right to use defenses or arguments that are applicable to their own share of the obligation. However, they can only use defenses that pertain to the other debtor's shares of the obligation to the extent of their responsibility. In simpler terms, Article 1222 states that if multiple people are responsible for a debt, each person can defend themselves individually based on their own portion of the debt. However, they can only use defenses related to the other debtor's portions to the extent that they are responsible for them. This article ensures that each solidaritor has the opportunity to protect their own interests within the shared obligation. Let's imagine a scenario where the three friends, Alex, Beth, and Chris, decide to rent an apartment together. They all sign the lease agreement, which makes them solidaritors. Being solidaritors means that each person is fully responsible for the entire rent, not just their portion. So if the total rent is 1,000 pesos, Alex, Beth, and Chris are each responsible for the full 1,000 pesos. Now, let's say that Alex suddenly decides to move out without paying their share of the rent. In this case, the landlord can demand the full 1,000 pesos from either Beth or Chris. This is because, as solidaritors, they are both legally responsible for the entire amount. However, if Beth ends up paying the full 1,000 pesos to the landlord, she can later seek reimbursement from Alex for their portion. Article 1222 allows Beth to use the defense of payment to protect herself. It means that since Beth has already paid to the full amount, the landlord cannot ask her for more money. So, to summarize, Article 1222 protects solidaritors by allowing them to use the defense of payment when they have already fulfilled their share for the obligation. This ensures fairness and prevents multiple claims for the same debt.